So one of my favorite things about this resort is that you park your car under the building, so your car doesn't sit out in the hot sun all day. Here's a better look at the parking garage. You can see how the parking garage down there at the bottom is underneath the building. Pretty neat. I like it. There's nothing worse than being hot and sweaty and getting in the car and being even more hot and sweaty. So the pool is open from 10 to 11. They've got all sorts of poolside activities. My girls always like doing those. The movie Under the Stars behind the pool bar. The fitness center is open 24 hours a day. Cool. Here's the Mahi pool bar. This is called the Samawati Springs Pool. It's a little bit smaller than the pool over at Jumbo. You have this little baby slide right here. That's super good, nice for the little ones. Then you have this much larger slide over here. You can see how big it is right here. It's a super fun pool. How big this slide is. Then it comes out under the bridge. Comes out right there. The coolest part of this pool area is the Samawati kiddie area over here. You've got the playground over here. All these fun water features. There's another little slide over here too. We played over here quite a bit on our first day. How fun is this? Perfect for the little ones. See, the slide goes up right there and then comes out right there in the rock. So much fun. The pool directory. We're here at the pool bar. There's the Samawati Springs pool I just showed you with that awesome water slide. If you take a staircase behind the water slide, you'll find a hot tub. And then if you come up through a walkway over here, that's where the fitness center is. It's kind of tricky to find. I wasn't sure where it was at first. This is the walkway by the pool to the fitness center. Here we are. So, I'm not going to go in. I don't want to bother anyone. Just a cute little area just with a few little things. And if you keep walking this way, you can see in the background there's the main lobby. The main lobby right there. Look, here's our other sign. So, Kidani Village is a part of Animal Kingdom Lodge, which has two buildings. One is Jumbo House, the second is Kidani. Kidani is where we stayed. We are up here by the fitness center at the pool, okay? So if you are in the lobby here at Kidani, the bus system is to your left, right here. You can see it. I'll zoom in a little bit. Right there. Let's walk on up to the lobby. There are not any other transportation options here at Animal Kingdom Lodge other than the buses. It's why it's one of your cheaper deluxe options, but it has a freaking savannah, people. So I think it's worth it. I don't mind the buses. They get me where I'm going. So if you want other modes of transportation, if you want a monorail, if you want the Skyliner, this probably isn't the resort for you. Here's the main entrance here. We'll go into the lobby. Now this lobby is not as big as the lobby over at Jumbo House. It's a lot smaller, has more of a boutique feel. I'll show you when we get in. All right. So your valet parking. So this is a DVC resort. Notice the sign above the entrance that says welcome home. so beautiful. It is a lot smaller, but it's still very cute and well themed. So there isn't a quick service restaurant here, but there is Sanaa. It is a table service restaurant that I highly recommend, but they do have a quick casual breakfast that you could go and grab a quick bite before you head to the parks. If you do come here, if you're lucky, you can snag a reservation. I do recommend requesting a window table, and there's not that many of them, so you may have to wait. Make sure you tell them you're willing to wait. But if you have a window table, you can have a pretty sweet view of the savannah. I'll just pan around here for a sec to show you what the rest of this little place looks like. It's actually on the very first floor, so if you'll take these steps here, it'll take you back up to the second floor, right back up to the lobby where we started. I'll show you the lobby from the back side here. You can see the top of the thatch roof. Isn't that so cool? The store here is called Johari Treasures. Walk through real quick. You have some groceries. Show ya.
Hello.
Not a whole lot of stuff in here. Just a few things. Of course, DVC merchandise. I hope you enjoyed my tour of Disney's Animal Kingdom Lodge, Kidani Village. If you want help planning your own vacation, send me an email at mackenzie@atouchofmagictravel.com for a free quote, and it's my pleasure to help you every step of the way. See you real soon.